Gaza's healthcare system near total collapse. Israeli military raids have reduced functioning at Nasser Medical Center in the southern Gazan city of Khan Yunis to basically nil. The UN and the Red Crescent have mounted patient evacuations as just over a dozen health workers remain to care for some 150 patients with no running water, little electricity, and dwindling supplies.
This is the former emergency department of Nasser Medical Complex. And it's a death zone.
Elsewhere in Khan Yunis, health officials warned that the Al Amal Medical Center is nearly out of food and fuel after a month-long Israeli siege. Healthcare workers describe being targeted by Israeli snipers through the hospital's windows.
Where is the humanity? Why this is happening to us? How many of us have to die? How many of us have to die just to listen to us, to stop these crimes?
Israel claims its forces are raiding Gaza's hospitals with caution to root out Hamas militants that use them for cover. Hamas denies that claim, saying Israel is systematically destroying Gaza's healthcare system in a campaign of ethnic cleansing. Meanwhile, Israeli airstrikes continue on the southern city of Rafah, where some 1.4 million Palestinians are now sheltering after fleeing from elsewhere in the Strip. Israel is threatening a ground assault on Rafah if all remaining hostages are not released by March 10th. International officials say such an invasion would be a recipe for humanitarian catastrophe. After 4 months of devastating bombardment, vast swaths of Gaza have been reduced to rubble, leaving the trapped civilian population with nowhere to flee.